John McKeag here for Liberty Aid Academy. This is a short explanation of our Trust 101 Foundation Edition and what comes with it, okay? You're going to get the trust. Yay. All right. But what is the detail? That the trust, you could open up a bank account, and then it's a non-reporting entity, right? You don't report taxes, you don't pay taxes as long as the money goes through that bank account. Yay. Okay, and all the rest of the benefits. What comes with this course for $9.97? You get the workbook. Oh, this is how it, this is a bit about trust and what you need to know. Then you get the trust documents, a PDF trust document. So this is what you're going to need. Then you have instructions. Okay, this is what you need to do with that trust document and how you get your EIN and what you do. Okay, there's an instructional video step by step. And you get this information under full student access. When you make your purchase for $9.97, you get an email, and in there it's like, oh, sign up for student access. An email comes to the email address you gave. You click on it, you get into the student access, and all the information's there for you under your name. It's your portal. It's wonderful. Your full student access. Then if you have questions, there's direct email support. You email in. Our team or myself answers your question. Yay. Via email. It's there's also a forum on our website which you get access to. So private, secure, and confidential, just with other students or with members of the team here. You have questions or whatever. If that's your way you want to interact with people, that's a way that's possible. There's also, you get the legal codes and the trust law resources. Like what about that information? That comes with it. I'll tell you what it doesn't include. It doesn't include any advising session with me. And it doesn't have any other courses that go with it or anything like that. It's just the trust and email support. Okay, that's all it is. Very basic. But for people who can't afford my time and don't need a complete walkthrough and everything like that and extra courses and so on, at least you can get the trust for $9.97. Okay.